The Texas Supreme Court has temporarily blocked a pregnant woman from receiving an emergency abortion. The court on Friday halted a lower court's ruling that would have allowed Kate Cox to obtain that procedure. Well, doctors told Cox her baby will likely be stillborn, and delivering the child could make it more complicated for her to have children in the future. Stephanie Haynes joins us live to explain. So, Stephanie, a lower court said yes. The highest court now says no. So where does she turn from here? What does she do now?
Hey, good morning. That is absolutely the question. Kate Cox, as you said, 31 years old, mother of two, lives right here in Dallas. She's 20 weeks pregnant, and she found out the fetus has this condition called trisomy 18, which she wrote in the local paper here has no chance of survival. And so she says her doctors told her that her health is at risk and she may not be able to have children again if she continues with this pregnancy. So the Center for Reproductive Rights, it's an advocacy group based in New York, filed this lawsuit on behalf of Cox and went before a judge in Austin who granted a temporary restraining order that would allow Cox to get an abortion under the state's law, which does allow for abortions when the mother's life is at risk only then. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton said the lawsuit fails to establish that and demanded the state Supreme Court step in. And so that's when on Friday, the state Supreme Court blocked the ruling, at least while they get a chance to consider the case. We do not know how long that will take. It is an all-Republican court. They will have to decide later down the road. AG Paxton also sent a letter to several hospital groups saying to them that they could face a felony charge and $100,000 fines if they perform an abortion.
What they're going to be looking at is whether the district court, the judge who issued the temporary restraining order on the state's abortion ban, whether or not that order was validly entered. They might impanel their own doctors to say during that argument to say that no, this is not life-threatening to the mother and therefore doesn't fall within the jurisdiction of an appellate court to issue the temporary injunction.
I reached out to the center just to see if Cox was available for an interview. She was not. But in terms of where she will get her medical care, the lawyers for the center say that they are not sharing that just for her safety. And then, by the way, on Friday, a very similar case like this was filed in Kentucky. Adrienne.
All right, Stephanie, thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.